Welcome everyone. In order to change the always on display settings on your Pixel 6a, just go to the settings app, and then from here we're going to find where we see display, tap on this one. Now tap on lock screen, and then from here you're going to slide all the way down and you see this one, when to show, and you see always show time and info. When you turn on this toggle, always on display is now enabled. So when I lock my Pixel, you're going to see the time. It's going to be a bit dark because I'm HDR recording. But you see the time and you see some of the notifications here. These will stay on. Okay, so my Pixel is locked right now and they stay on. Now when I click the lock button, you can see I'm brought to the regular lock screen. You can see of course the brightness is brighter. And if I turn off this toggle, there is no always on display. Now I do recommend you have stuff like tap to check phone and lift to check phone on as well. And so what that means is when you're on the always on display, you double tap the black empty space and you'll be brought straight to the lock screen. Okay, so do keep in mind, always on display will drain more battery. It's up to you whether or not you want it on or off. I personally prefer it off. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.